Because insects have their skeletons outside their bodies, so the bee eaters digest the meat from the inside. Then they bring up all the indigestible bits of skeleton, and of course the wings, in a pellet, a small ball of waste material which they cough up.
Sounds a bit unpleasant. How do you go about it?
In the field, we track down the bee eaters and find their favourite feeding spots, the places where the birds usually feed. It's here that we can find the pellets.
আচ্ছা, bee eaters like to use for ফিডিং ফিডিং হইতে পারে, ঠিক আছে? এই যে ফিডিং, ঠিক আছে, অর্থাৎ যে লোকেশন গুলা তারা খাবার খাওয়ার জন্য ইউজ করে, ফিডিং অর ইটিং।
এটা আমি ধরতে পারিনি।
আচ্ছা, আপনি অডিওটা আবার শুনেন।
We could track down the bee eaters.
Unpleasant?